Hey everybody, Ted here. Today we're going to hit the griddle again and we're going to make a chicken grilled cheese sandwich. Man, I love this recipe. It's really great. It's simple to make. So come on and join me and let's get cooking with the geezer. I'm going to do part one here. I'm going to get some chicken thighs. Going to mash them up and get them, and then we'll put some seasoning on them so that we can cook them for dinner later. So just going to get a little wax paper here. Put that down on the tray. A little bit more wax paper I'm going to use to mash in between, mash the chicken up. So just setting that up right now. Alrighty. And we'll just put some on here. The one in between the two sheets. See if that'll open up. So they're opened up a little bit. Because these are boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm going to flatten them out a little bit more so that they fit good in between the bread that we're going to be using. Just going to pound it out. Just going to flatten it a little bit more so it's more consistent with the cooking. And we'll fit between two slices of bread better. Look at that. Now I got a Tony Sacchieres. That's what I'm going to be using. But I'm also probably going to put a little bit extra on a couple of these because I like a little oomph on mine. A little spiciness to them, but I'll put the spice on last. So just gonna sprinkle a little bit of garlic on them. Okay, a little bit of onion powder, and I know some of that's already in the Tony Sacchieres, but it's got some other things to add to it, so alright, I got a little bit of Tony's left in this one, so I'm gonna see about emptying that one out. Make sure I get this covered pretty good. And pat it down a little bit. And flip them over and do the other side. Well, just make sure to get nice easy. You can put anything you want on yours. You know, this is just what I like to do. If you love grilled cheese, you should try this. You know, it gives you a little bit more protein. All right. So sprinkle some more out here. Oh, this coming out. It's a brand new, larger size. The last one I got was kind of small. Didn't last as long as I would like it to, but you know, you got something good, you want to use it. So, okay, and that's I'm just using the Creole seasoning, Tony Sacchieres. Another thing I'm going to add to mine, give mine a little bit of oomph, is the tahini sauce and then the cayenne pepper. So, just because I like a little bit of more to mine. So we got the Sacchieres, the garlic powder, the onion powder, and for mine the Cajun powder and the tahini. Okay. Now the tahini, it's got peppers in it, and well, what's going to happen is it's got a little bit of lime in it too, so it'll give a little bit of hint of lime to my particular sandwich, just because that's what I like. So it's going to give some heat and a little bit of hint of lime. So it'll be pretty good. Okay, folks, so I'm going to get ready. First thing I'm going to do, I got the deep fryer heating up for some French fries. And I'm going to butter this bread so that we can toast it in a little bit. And we're using Texas toast. Now you can use any bread you want, but you know, Texas toast is the right kind of bread to use for this project. And I'm just going to butter the outside. So I like to put cheese on both sides. I'm going to use a couple of different types of cheese. And just mix, I like to mix up the flavors. Some people just want one type of cheese, but I'm going to surprise them and put a couple different flavors. For most people, I'm just going to put the Colby-Jack and the provolone. That way it's a couple of mild flavors. That way, you know, if they don't want anything spicy, they don't have to worry about it. Okay, so I've got the griddle fired up and just going to let it heat up just a little bit. And I think we're done good enough so that I can put a little oil down and start this chicken. I like to take the spatula and rub around a little bit, make sure there's kind of even coating, and put that chicken down on it. And what we're looking for in here is, you can see that the kind of translucent color is slowly disappearing. That means that it's getting cooked in there, getting cooked through, and once it gets looking like it's about halfway through, then we'll flip them over. So, and they're just about getting ready. So, looking pretty good. Gonna be delicious. I think some of this is going to be about ready to split. Oh, look at that, that's flippable. Oh yeah. I'm going to start putting some of the toast down. Get a little bit more than that on there. I think we'll be ready. I'm gonna put that on there. And we'll toast the one side and then do the other on a little bit higher heat. So get that cheese melted. Flip that over, and I believe that's ready to go that away. See how this one is doing. Okay, this one's ready for something. A little bit hot. This means this won't be good. I like lots of cheese on mine. Mine's a big one. Okay. Put them in the basket. It's looking good, isn't it? Even some French fries. Now I'm gonna bite into this sandwich. Doesn't that look good? Chicken cheese from Texas toast. Yeah, that's delicious. Big thumbs up. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Please subscribe and hit that notification button if you want to hear about upcoming episodes. And thanks for joining Cooking with the Geezer.